Hello, ma'am.
Morning.
How are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm fine.
What happened? Oh, you're turning and looking at somebody. All okay?
Wait, ma'am.
All right. Comfortable?
Yes.
Oh, so what is your name?
My name is Ritika and I am 9 years old.
You're 9 years old. And where are you from?
I'm from Navi Mumbai, Ghansoli, and my school's name is New Bombay City School.
Oh, right. So I can see under the profile name Raguraj/Rutika. So I was confused. Are they two learners or is it like one learner? Who's Raguraj?
He is my father.
All right. Okay. So you're studying in which standard?
I'm studying in 4th standard right now.
Oh, all right. And I think this is a holiday for you, isn't it? Saturday and Sunday is a holiday.
No, I don't have holiday.
So you're supposed to go to school today?
Yes, because right now my exam is going on, but tomorrow I have holiday.
Oh, right. So what time do you have to go today?
7 o'clock daily.
Oh, you mean to say morning 7 a.m. So you already went to school?
Yes, I just arrived.
Oh, right, right. You are such a wonderful child. After coming back from school, you're just logging in to learn language as well. All right. Right.
Ma'am, I arrived at home at 11, 3 o'clock. And then I was playing with my sister.
What's your sister's name?
I don't have one sister, ma'am. So sister's name.
Oh, you have so many sisters. How many sisters do you have?
I only have 3 younger sisters. Radhika is 4 years old. Pari is 2 years old. Akshita is 1 years old.
Right, the most merrier. Right. So we are meeting for the first time, isn't it? Right. So let me introduce myself. My name is Ammu Alice and I'm from Kerala. Are you familiar with the state called Kerala? Have you heard it before?
Yeah, I've heard. But from where are you from, Kerala?
You know the places in Kerala? I'm from Calicut.
I don't know the places in Kerala.
Right. All right. So today's topic is about natural disasters.
Yes.
Would you like to tell me what are some of the natural disasters that you are familiar with?
I don't know any natural means some bad diseases.
I'll give you an example. Flood. Have you heard the term flood or earthquake?
Yes, earthquake and flood.
Have you heard the term tsunami?
Tsunami. I have not heard.
All right. So let me just type some words for you. See, flood, earthquake, tsunami, cyclone. All these are the natural disasters or natural calamities. Nobody is causing it. It's happening naturally.
Oh.
So have you ever encountered or heard about any natural disaster in your hometown or in your state?
I don't watch news, but my father is always telling my mother that you want to go to your village, and my village is, and he's always saying, if you go to Sagar, you will drown in the water because Sagar is flooded. He's always saying that.
When you say Sagar, it is a place name? Let me see her. I can only see her beautiful hair.
Pari.
Pari, her name is Pari. Pari means angel, isn't it? Hello.
Pari is 2 years old.
She's just 2 years old. Even as a child, even I used to have this hairstyle. My mom used to tie my hair like this. So pretty.
And you can see.
Hi. How old is this one?
9 months old.
Just 9 months. And he's already smiling. What is his name? Ritika. Oh, right.
Radhika is in that room.
So, what do you all do together? All four of you all?
We play together.
What do you all play? She is already excited.
I'm very saying hi.
Oh, that's, oh, hi.
Her name is Radhika. She is 4 years old. She is also learning English right now. She can speak a little English.
Right. Are you teaching them English?
First I will learn. Second, I'm going to teach them. Say hi to mom. Say hi. Say hi, ma'am.
Hello.
Say.
She's a little shy. She's like me.
She's shy. Hold her.
So this is your house, isn't it? I can see a lot of clothes, bed, everything. This is your room?
No, this is not my room, but
Oh, maybe this is your playroom. All of you are there in this room.
yeah, we play here.
Oh, right. So do you tell them stories? You tell them.
Sometimes I tell them scary stories when they are not feeling sleepy.
You tell them scary stories. How old are you? You are just 9 years old.
My 4 years old sister likes scary stories sometimes, not all the time.
Oh,
When
right.
lamp is off, she's never listening to scary stories. But in the evening or at morning in the dance class, she would ask me, Didi, tell me some stories, scary stories, because right now it's not night.
You are going for a dance class as well?
Yes.
Oh, so you're learning to dance, you're learning to taking a session to practice English. Oh, she's again back. Hi. All right. What else are you doing? Are you learning to play some instrument?
No, I'm just learning how to dance. We have there's one dance which we are practicing. It is, what's that? I don't, huh? What do you call that?
Which one? Are you asking me or are you asking your sister?
I'm trying to think what's the song's name. I don't remember, but it's very nice. And when there's one boy who's always asking the small kids, "Oh, is that a tree?" I don't remember the song.
Is it like a Hindi song?
Yes, Hindi song, and he's always saying, "Look there, is that a tree?" When we cover the blanket, who is standing here?
Oh, I don't know. I don't know.
Very funny. And at the last, we do that. What? I don't.
You don't remember. You don't remember. Right, right. Would you like to tell me a scary story?
Scary story.
Yeah, I've not heard scary story in a while. When I used to be a child, my mom used to tell me a lot of stories. Now these days, she's hardly interested in me. Would you like to tell me a story?
Yes, I would like to.
Yes, then let's begin.
I don't know which story to tell you. Can you decide?
I would like a scary story. You told me that you are fond of telling your sister scary stories to make her feel scared. Yes, I would also like to listen to one.
But I don't know which one I can tell you.
That is okay. Consider me as a little sister.
I have told her the what's that story's name?
Let's do one thing. Instead of a story, tell me something which happened at school, something very interesting and funny.
I know one story about a girl who was pretending to be a ghost.
Oh, okay. Tell me that. The girl who was pretending to be a ghost.
What is that about animals? There was one girl who was named baby monkey. And once there was a little boy and a girl named baby monkey, and on her head, when she was born, on her head there was something like a dragon's. What do you call that?
She is very excited, your sister.
With another story. Once there was in a village, there was some horse and one dragon who used to live there. He was so small, and so all the kids were always playing with him. But one day he started to steal the things. Then what happened? He started to steal the things, and he was stealing the things. He was always, his voice was changing, and so his friend one day asked, "What happened to you? Who did you? What happened?" Then the dragon said, "Oh, I just met someone." Then he was about to say who he met, but then suddenly he saw something very sparkling, and he said, "I want to eat this sparkly thing to grow more bigger." So then the girl said again, "Oh, who did you met?" Then the last thing the dragon uses fire to scare the girl, and he ran away out of the door, and then he landed in a zoo where a wizard which used to live. Her name, I don't know her name, but she was a zebra, which, and once he landed in that, his mistakenly in her house, the door, so the girl said, "Oh no, who opened the door? Oh, you are a dragon." Suddenly the dragon saw so many sparkly things, so the dragon attacked. The girl was also following and said, "Oh wizard, what happened to him?" Then the girl said, "If he takes more things, he's going to grow big, and he's going to turn into a demon and eat all the people in the village." Then they were discussing how to stop him, but suddenly the dragon breathed fire from his mouth, and the girl said, "Oh no, the witch said, I will tell you later. Just go and stop him. He's going to turn into the evil demon and eat the people." So the girl said, "Oh no, if he turns into evil, he's going to run." Then what happened? The dragon reached near in the village and started to search for scooter. But the girl said, "Oh, see this sparkly broom. If you want this broom, so catch me." And then the girl took the broom and started to go to her house, and he threw the broom in the house, and the dragon went inside the room, and she locked the door, and suddenly when he had the broom, he burned the house with fire, and the girl started to run. Then the dragon became a ghost. Now the girl was thinking, how can I stop the dragon? So what happened?
You're asking me, so what happened? So what happened? Finally, did she manage to escape from the dragon?
The dragon escaped from the girl, but then again he went in the wizard's witch's house, and the witch was surprised and said, "Oh no, he's already turned into a ghost. He's going to eat the people in the village. So that we stop him and see use the magic."
Hello? Hello? Your video was stuck. Okay. Yes. So what was the ending? I did not hear. I missed the ending. Your video was stuck.
No, the little girl and her friends helped the witch. I don't know how they helped the witch. They put in one potion on him, and then he what do you call that? He disappeared and he died.
Oh, right. Oh, all right. This is not a scary story.
I know that, but it's scary for my sister.
Oh, is it? All right. Okay. Let's look at some small sentences. Could you please open the chat box? Is it visible to you, or you can listen? That is fine. Now, who did you meet? Who did you met? No. Who did you meet? So the question they are asking is, who did you meet? Who did you meet? See, I'll give you an example. Did plus work. When you say did plus work, it actually means worked. So whenever you're using did, it means past tense. So did plus work is equal to meet. So did plus
Work.
did plus
Work.
did plus meet is equal to met.
Met.
Right. So you're using here who did you met? No, who did you meet? Because did plus meet is equal to met. So you're asking them indirectly. Who did you meet? Met meaning past. But if you cannot use past over here because you have already used did. Did is clearly showing that it is past tense. Another one, sparkling. How do you pronounce that word? Sparkling. I heard it as sparkly, sparkly. Were you saying sparkly or were you saying sparkling?
I was saying sparkling.
It is sparkling, sparkling. Everything is sparkling, sparkling. Right. Now, what is this called? Exhalation. The dragon was exhaling fire, isn't it? Fire was coming out of his mouth. So the word is exhaling. You can use it in your next story. Inhaling meaning what? Taking inside. Exhaling mean going it out, keeping it outside, releasing it outside.
Oh.
Oh. What is your pet name?
Huh?
What is your pet name? Everybody calls you Ritika or Ritu or some other name?
Ritu is my name and my mother's name, but my nickname, my grandparents are always calling me Kitto.
Kitto. Kitto. All right. What are you going to do after the class?
After the class, I'm going to do my homework, then going to the park, I'm going to dance class, then going to sleep.
You're so full of energy.
Ma'am, sometimes when the park opens at 5 o'clock and I have a little time, so I will do my homework, then have some little rest. Then after having rest, I'm going to help mommy. Then I'll go to park and go to dance class.
Very good. So let me tell you my observations. You're a very beautiful speaker, very confident, full on energy. So what you can do is that you can help your sisters also learn the language. Let them also learn from you. You're doing so well.
My sister knows English.
Right. But you can teach her more, isn't it?